Today, I am giving you a tour of 5939 West Orange Drive in Glendale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Inside, you'll find a remodeled kitchen with a stainless refrigerator, dishwasher, and glass-top stove. There's also plenty of cabinet and counter space. And the spacious separate laundry room offers more than just a place for laundry. It also provides flexible indoor storage space to suit your household's needs. Conveniently located near 59th Avenue and Camelback Road, it puts you in a desirable Glendale area with everyday convenience nearby. The large family room is a standout feature. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in plenty of natural light and offer a fantastic view of the private backyard pool. It's a great space to enjoy the view while spending time at home. One of the biggest highlights of this home is the private pool. This area provides a serene retreat for relaxation, entertaining, and year-round enjoyment. Set on a spacious lot, this home provides ample outdoor space for recreation and relaxation. Hard flooring throughout the home also makes everyday cleaning and maintenance easier. And with solar, you can enjoy an added feature that makes this home even more appealing. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a remodeled kitchen, a spacious laundry room, solar, and a private pool on a large lot, this Glendale home offers plenty to appreciate. So if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. If you're looking for a home with great features and a private pool, this one is worth a look. And completing the home's appeal, the private ensuite offers a serene retreat designed for comfort and convenience. Come see it for yourself. Schedule a tour today.